Is your CloudRaptor server not updating stats or automation? The agent might be the problem. Here's how to fix it. The CloudRaptor agent is responsible for monitoring, server communication, and automation. If it becomes unresponsive, you may need to restart or reinstall it. Don't worry, your applications will keep running normally. Only monitoring and automation are affected. First, connect to your server using SSH and make sure everything is running properly. Check that your server is online and confirm that Docker is running. Next, try restarting the CloudRaptor agent service directly from your server. If monitoring starts working again, you're all set. No further action needed. If the issue continues, you'll need to reconnect your server. Remove the server from CloudRaptor if required, then reconnect it using your SSH credentials. CloudRaptor will automatically reinstall the agent and all required components. Once reconnected, the agent links back to your dashboard, monitoring resumes, and automation features start working again. Reinstalling the agent doesn't affect your running applications. It simply restores communication and control. And that's how you quickly fix CloudRaptor agent issues and get everything back on track.